you've ever flown a drone, you know how great it feels. You pull the levers and suddenly you're flying your own tiny plane. It's exciting. This is Metafly. And flying it is exciting on a completely different level. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's level 11 exciting. Maybe even 12. Metafly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do. So it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone. It's an ornithopter. But really it's more than that. It's a Metafly. Metafly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. You know how a bird flies into your house and can navigate around everything without hitting anything? Metafly can do that, because it mimics the natural movement of the bird with its synthetic wings. See what we did there? That's science explaining awesomeness. Metafly flies just like in nature. It can take turns, fly slow or fast, and can maneuver around anything. It can also glide and be controlled to glide left and right. With those abilities, Metafly is one of the few RC flying objects that can actually fly in small spaces. Here it is flying in an office. Here it is flying in a house. Here it is flying in an even smaller house. Outdoors, Metafly can enjoy its full speed. By changing the direction of its tail, Metafly can fly faster when its tail is down, or more controllable when it's up. Due to its 2-channel remote control that allows for further range, no interference, and maximum control, you can fly Metafly super fast towards those dense trees, and then maneuver between them like only a Metafly can. Now that's even level 13 exciting. Oh, and don't worry about crashing. Metafly has elastic wings and legs, in addition to both front and back bumpers to protect its body. Take that, tree! Metafly is the result of more than 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of Metafly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool dude, created the first successful mechanic bird together with Edwin's father. Much later, Edwin himself successfully crowdfunded and delivered Bionic Bird. Now, he's diving even deeper into the world of biomimetics to take flight abilities even further. So if you want to fly just like animals in nature do, get Metafly and get ready to immerse yourself in an experience like no other. Metafly.
This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground. So back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own. Airblock. Code to fly.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.